natin dito yung mga practices sa iba-ibang bansa. Umpisa natin sa Lebanon. Do you know that Lebanese men are allowed to have sex with animals given that it's a female? Medyo kadiri yun, pero ganun ang kultura nila. A betrayed wife can kill her husband with her bare hands. So pag nangaliwa ka, basta wala kang gagamitin kutsilyo, pwede mo patay yung asawa mo. Okay, yun. In Papua New Guinea, to achieve manhood, young men must ingest the semen of their elders. Sa India, ang mga babae ron, pag nasa latter stages na ng pagbubuntis, her husband is allowed to have sex with her sister. Eh paano kung puro lalaki mga kapatid niya, di ba? Sa Bahrain, male doctors are forbidden from directly looking at the genitals of their women patients during medical examination. He must by law use a mirror to view her genitals so he could only see its reflection. Medyo kakaiba mga ginagawa sa iba't ibang bansa. Eto, gaya nila nito. Sa Tonga Island, premarital sex is not taboo in Tonga Island of the South Pacific. They allow premarital sex given the permission of the girl's parents. Abay, pagpapaalam mo. If pregnancy accidentally occurs, the couple must walk around their village naked for several days. So, kailangan, pag nabuntis mo yung babae, maglalakad kayo sa village na nakahubad. Kayong dalawang magsyota. Kung premarital sex, magpapaalam. Dito naman sa France, 41% of French adults admitted they have participated in orgies. 27% of them have engaged in partner swapping. Mga weird ang mga kakaiba talaga.